Mistakes to avoid if you want to buy a house. Buying a house is a very exciting step, and to achieve it successfully, you must keep your finances stable after your loan pre approval. Your lender gave you your pre approval based on your current financial situation, considering your income, debts, savings, and credit score. From the time you sign the contract until closing, avoid significant changes to your credit. This means not making credit purchases for cars or planning vacations. Also, don't start buying furniture, paintings, or materials to renovate that house that isn't yours yet. Very importantly, avoid co signing or guaranteeing loans for family or friends, as this can affect your ability to obtain the loan. Lenders check your credit right before closing to ensure there are no changes. They also verify that you're still in the same job. Changing jobs or quitting can jeopardize your loan approval, especially if you move from a fixed salary to a variable income. It is crucial to pay all your bills and credit cards on time. Even a small delay can cause problems. Avoid large cash deposits, opening new credit cards, or closing existing ones. Normal expenses are fine, but keep your financial situation stable so you don't risk being denied the loan at the last minute and losing your earnest money deposit. By following these recommendations, you will have a safer and smoother buying process. If you have doubts, consult your lender before making any major financial moves. And once you close the purchase, you can buy furniture or even plan those long awaited vacations.